What's up? It's 3D Printer Room 126 here with another unboxing video.
Another one. This is the first one.
There will be
as
more.
you can see, this package.
Oh, we got beamed.
What is this?
It's like
There's just
boxception.
another box inside the box.
It's for security. You can't actually see.
We just, you know how happy you are when you open a box? They just wanted you to do it twice.
Man, I got a box for my birthday once. It
I
was
saw you
awesome.
open it and it's like, oh no.
Surgery.
You know they did surgery on one of those.
It's like the weirdest meme ever. Dude, this tape is like hardcore, all the way down the side.
Yeah, this tape
This thing is secure.
They weren't messing around.
Why are you letting them do this? Because it's important for the culture. The culture of the room. Yes, for the culture, yes. For the culture.
But this is actually a historic moment because this printer will be in this class for many years.
Oh, boys!
Look at this. We get
Into
these
the packaging.
We got some yellow and red reels of, or spools of filament. That's
reels
good.
of filament.
Yeah, reels of film. Got this neat thing.
Instruction manuals. No one ever reads those.
Looks like a pair of glasses.
No, not yet. Actually, yeah, Miyoshi.
No,
Miyoshi,
that's a
we need to
blood
order
pressure.
some dissolvable filament.
Yeah, I know.
Why did they bother packaging this with silica gel if it's like vacuum sealed?
I don't know.
Actually, because basically if it gets wet at all, it just completely ruins it. This is a box,
Seems kind of redundant.
another box. So
Bro, how many boxes? Can
we'll
fit
open
in
this guy up
one
at some
box?
point. Actually, here, let's put.
Well, we're up to
How many
two.
boxes? I'll work on that while you.
Dude, there's so much
wires.
I don't trust myself with all that.
Here,
Do you want to take these? All right. Yeah. With the camera
So is
guy.
the other one just so broken that you can buy a new
Make space.
basically.
Over here, probably.
Here, we're going this way. So this is
Look at that solid gold.
solid gold 3D printer.
Yeah. Well, at least some parts.
Velcro? No, just glued. It felt like Velcro. Ooh, fancy. Got lots of foam. Where's the bed?
This is a good sign if the packaging is bended up like that. I don't think so.
This is just a box.
That's why they're packaging.
That's why it's there.
Bro, look what they sent.
They gave us a little
Oh, look at that. They
little
gave us
butterfly.
Dude, they gave us it's a dual extrusion 3D print of
That's
a
so
butterfly.
cool.
Yeah, this is actually an extremely common thing to print. It's like these articulated.
Beyond
Yeah.
that, it's pretty much just
I'm starting a second video for ease of filming.